Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about my updated nighttime skincare routine. So let's get started. I start my nighttime routine with cleansing. In this case, double duty cleanser. I like the double duty cleanser. I start out on dry skin, get into the cleansing, get into a little bit of the massage technique as well, and then I rinse it off with water. Sometimes I play around with my cleansing. I'm gonna turn the water off so you can hear me, but sometimes I play around with my cleansing because I like to just get into there a little bit. Sometimes if I'm tired, this is a great time to do a little bit of massage and just to get the skin kind of reactivated. It's fun. Cleanse my skin. So when you clean your skin, what's important is you dry your skin, yes, but don't over dry it, right? So you want a little bit of dampness. This is gonna help with absorption, right? So if you've made it too dry, take a little bit of water, kind of dampen your skin a little bit. That really will help with the rest of your skincare routine. So after cleansing, the first thing I like to do is use my microdose. First thing is always, to me, at nighttime especially, the action, the treatment, the retinol. This one is the retinol with the azelaic acid and the niacinamide. It's the microdose. You don't have to do it like this. Put it in your hand, okay? And I start middle, forehead, bottom, push it all in. Anything left over, and I go around the eye, not on the eye, go around, okay? Bring it down to the neck. If you want, you can add a few more drops for the neck and décolleté. Always really great to think of your routine, your whole face, right? Including the neck and the décolleté. So I put my retinol on. That to me, that's my anti-aging. That's also my skin correcting and perfecting in a lot of ways. The retinol is gonna go in and do a lot of really, really good work. At a microdose, I'm gonna get the work without the irritation, especially because I've got that azelaic acid in there and that niacinamide. I like it in the microdose. After my retinoid, I'm a huge believer in antioxidants. Very important for free radical damage, very important for brightening up the skin. My favorite is the Glutathiosome. I like this one, the Serum, a lot. So I put this antioxidant on all over. I like it because it helps with the pigmentation. It's gonna help fight that free radical damage. The brightening. It also has this formula too also has a growth factor. That makes me feel really good to have a growth factor in my skincare, because again, that's also about building that collagen, building that really strong foundation, preventing my skin from becoming too vulnerable. I don't want my skin to be weak. I want my skin to be strong. That's important. I've learned over the years that a lot of ingredients tear down the skin. A lot of ingredients make you very sensitive or dry or reactive. So I really have guided and updated my skincare to make sure that I'm dealing with the right hydration and the right protection at the same time. After that, I put on my Fast Lift Eye Serum. The Fast Lift Eye Serum is oil-free, very light eye serum. This is the one I use, the only one I use all over my eye. Now, so I close my eyes, I start on my lid, all around. I take one drop and I share it between both eyes. You don't need a lot of product, okay? That's really important. So that's it. That was my Fast Lift, put that on. Then, this is where I go into a bit of a booster. I tend to get, I tend to be bumpy along the jawline, a little bit of hormonal breakout. I notice too sometimes along the hairline around the ear, I get a little bit more kind of bumps. So I spot treat those areas with the Azelaic booster. And I also just put a little teeny bit over the nose because I have those sebaceous filaments and I want to I want to actually experiment and see if I could really make them even super invisible, because mine to me are very visible. So this is part of updating my routine, using that booster not only on the larger cystic or problematic bumps that I seem to get on the jawline from hormonal acne or aging, but these sebaceous filaments, you know, I've really had to learn not to pick and squeeze and to play, because it does leave marks. And so this is how I'm updating my routine with the booster. So I'm really utilizing a lot of this science. A lot of it I'm experimenting with. I know it works on the cystic part. I know it works on the redness. I know it helps with the exfoliation. I'm still experimenting with the sebaceous filament part. And then I put my moisturizer on. I love my combination skin makes it hard for me to use a moisturizer that's heavy. So I always have to use one that's smart, one that's very skin identical. My particular skin needs have made it that the Ceramide barrier relief is amazing. I'm getting the ceramides, I'm keeping the hydration in, but I'm not promoting the oil. That's really important to me. I'm not getting a greasy kind of heaviness. I'm getting firm skin, smooth skin, updated routine, combining the simple science, booster, microdose, and my favorite Isomers Skincare for nighttime. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you so much for allowing me to indulge myself and share with you how I use simple science with Isomers Skincare. So this is my updated nighttime routine. You know, it's all about experimenting and having fun with the sciences, and as you learn more, you can kind of play more. So I really look forward to knowing how you are incorporating the sciences together and the results that you're getting. So leave me your questions and comments, and we'll talk soon.